So if you see, if you go to the teams, inside the team we are in the where you are, yeah, group, sit in group 1. So your is group 1. Okay, so what we are doing is, because you are part of that group, so I will go there and now meet. So once I will start, click here meet, I will write it here that okay, group 1 I tag 1103 with Sydney. And then once I will join here, right now I am in the main session of your lecture or lab, that will be on hold, and I will be in that channel, and I will ask you to join me there. So we will have a look how it works. Okay, Virpal. So I'm joining now. So now I'm asking Virpal to join the session. Simran and Parminder. So they are in this group, all of them together. Okay, Virpal, are you here? Please open your mic.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see now, like all of the other members are in the group, but they're not picking up the call right now. But what you will do is, so if I share the screen now again, you can see it. And so see, now you can have other members. I can open the camera, and I can also, you can open a camera now, Virpal.